Hey y'all, welcome back. I have so many fun things to show you for Shimmerz paints for August 2023. If you can believe, I am unboxing an August kit. Which way do I want to show you everything? Okay, let's see. Let me start by showing you the bonus bundle. So the bonus bundle comes with a sequin mix as well as some mixed media goodies. Look at the pretty sequins. They're mauve-y and kind of that sea foamy aqua color. So pretty. There's little flower shapes in there. So there are all kinds of gorgeous tones, and it's a really interesting color mix. And then we get a creamies in cheeky pink. So super pretty, soft color. I did swatched it right there. So nice and soft, and it's got just like that like the healthy little blush color to it. So that is the bonus bundle. Then if you get the color kits, let me show you all of these gorgeous things. I'm going to come in. Now I already went ahead and swatched them because I wanted to be able to show you what they look like dry. So the very first color, it's called Before Dawn. It's this gorgeous charcoal. It's a vibe, so you're going to get such nice color payoff with just, I mean, you can't even tell the color in here because it's so nice and inky, but you will get a gorgeous, gorgeous tone. So that's Before Dawn. The next color I have, it's called Treasured Hymn. And it's so pretty, guys. It's a spritz, right? So there you go. Super pretty. Oh, and guys, when you get your paint, do not shake them up. Just go ahead and roll them because it's not all that fun to have to clean out the nozzle. It's a whole thing. So that's Treasured Hymn. Comes in the color kits. The next one's called Clary Sage. And guys, look at that color. It is a beautiful sage, and that is a colorings, which is gorgeous. Next, I have Silver Tongue Devil. This is a shimmer. So the shimmers already come with liquid inside them. You just give it a nice little mix. And I love shimmers. I mean, this is almost dry. It's wet at the very top. But guys, look at that gorgeous pearly goodness. So darn pretty. And then the last color, it's called Absolutely Marvelous. And it is an Inklings. So once again, we are going to get, oh, and it comes in a pot, and you add just a little bit of water to activate it, and off you go. But look at the gorgeous color payoff. So this color story is amazing this month. And let me show you the cut file that comes with it. I did go ahead and, I took a screenshot of it and just put Shimmerz across it, but you belong among the wildflowers. Look at the two different fonts. It's going to be so incredibly fun to play with. So I showed you the bonus bundle. I showed you the color kits. Let me show you the paper kits, which I haven't even gotten into them yet because I like to open them with you, so I cannot wait. So I'm going to put the goodies aside for now. So let's see. We've got lots of papers. I assume we have a cut apart sheet, and I'm going to work on that tonight because that's fun. So let's just start. I'm going to start from the top down. So our first sheet, and guys, it's always such a great color match. Totally matches that Clary Sage like nobody's business. Absolutely fantastic plaid. That is very cool. With kind of like an almond or a bone color background. Oh, and the backside, guys, look at how pretty this is. It's like romantic, pretty, like roses and leafy bits. Do you guys see that? Oh, that's just rude. I want both sides. That's, okay, that is gorgeous. Okay, we have that one. The next one kind of looks like wire. That's very, very pretty. Very interesting. You can make such a great background with that. Okay, and now the back side, if you look really closely, it's got little tiny polka dots and leafy bits. And like even the stem on this leafy bit totally looks like that Treasured Hymn color. Very cool. And then Oh, this is pretty. It looks like wildflowers. So this is nice and bright white. You can do mixed media to your heart's content with your color kits. But it looks like wildflowers on the bottom or on the top or on the side, depending on how you use that. Oh, and now the back side, it kind of looks like stucco. Like, you know, like a stucco wall. Totally matches a Treasured Him like spot on though. Very cool. Then, ooh, okay, I'm totally using this, like probably the first one. So bright white, and you've got this gorgeous, like just black and white art that I want to paint so badly. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. And then the backside, it's white and black. And seriously, if I had two of these, I'd be thrilled. But as it stands, I'm gonna be spending some time with that. All right, so next, all right, so this is a nice repeating pattern. It's very nice. It's a nice neutral, kind of one of those gray neutral kind of tones. And then the backs, oh, it's black and white with little tiny leafy bits. That's beautiful. Guys, that would look so pretty if you matte this with it. So pretty. Okay, getting ahead of ourselves a little bit there with the design ideas, but oh, that's super awesome. Okay, love black and white. Next. Now we have a black and white with florals. And in these florals, guys, we have got these beautiful mauve tones. We've got this sage color. Oh, that's so pretty. So very pretty. And then the back side, it's a repeating leafy bit. Really great piece for a background. You can, you know, clearly matte with it. All good things. Our next piece, oh, this one's cool. So we've got some really like, you know, like paint stroke kind of brickwork is what it looks like with some florals. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. So pretty. Oh, and this is just cute. White with black polka dots. They're not all in a row. They're just kind of like dot, 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 dot. Super, super cute. Oh, this is going to be fun this month. It's fun every month, guys. All right, so in our well, this isn't our we have second to the last piece of paper. We have got this gorgeous background tone, but look at these little sweet floral clusters. It's like a really pretty, like, actually, the shirt I'm wearing is so similar. Like, see how this print is? Look at my tank top. Like, it's like a floral pattern the same way. Yeah, with part of my dinner on it. Sorry about that. But has that same vibe. Like, it's a really sweet floral. Oh, and then the back side looks like this mauve tone, the absolutely marvelous, as well as cheeky pink. And they're gorgeous stripes. Oh my word. This is going to be really fun. Okay. And then the last piece of paper, it is white with, actually, let's see. What's it look like? Kind of looks like the Treasured Him. It's lines of little watercolor hearts. But here's the problem, because this piece of paper is amazing, but wait. Oh, look at it. Would you look at this gorgeous piece of paper? So we've got like let's see, it says open menu, coffee shop. We've got like a journaling block, an old postcard. We have got some wreath kind of things, a teapot. Look at this old school typewriter. A gorgeous cuppa right here. It looks like a cappuccino. A nice little journaling book. There are florals that, oh, they're so pretty, but look what I just saw. Do you see that sweet little bunny rabbit? And then there's hydrangeas in here. There's cute little muffins. Look at like a little dragonflies in there. Guys, I cannot wait to cut this up. And then there's some wordy bits like love this day and moments to remember. Super pretty, gorgeous color palette, a little unexpected. I think it's fantastic. Okay. Then we have 3 dots. So this one has like that hydrangea in it that you see right there. So we've got that sweet little hydrangea, the hearts that we saw in one of the papers, which I think that's awesome. And that sweet little bunny rabbit in the teacup. He's facing to the right on that one and to the left on the little dots. And the dots come with a little bit of dimensional adhesive on the back if you like them popped up. If not, pop it off and use it for something else. That is fab. And what else? Okay, so this is different. What are these? We've got ourselves a little Prezi. All right, so these are they stickers? They are, guys. We have little stickers. So we have you and me, and they've got a little bit of a sheen to them. So it's nice when you have different finishes. And we've got a couple of circles with the hearts, family time, so special, best ever day, love and blessed, happy place, remember my people, just because, and what a day. And then finally, guys, look at these goodies. These are awesome. I'm going to get my little tray. We have got these little wood pieces. And let's see, we have got the word love. We've got the sweetest little florals. Those are adorable. So we've got love and florals. Oh, and look at this little leaf. And guys, one of the things that's so great about woodcuts, oh, look at this leaf. That's so pretty. One of the things that's so great about woodcuts is you can leave them as is, because clearly they're beautiful, right? And I'll probably leave them as is this time because they match the embellishments so well, or, you know, the papers. But you can paint them. We've got all of our color kits in our bonus bundle. You can use distress oxides. You can also use embossing powder on them. So they are lovely for that. So this is my unboxing. I cannot wait to play with all of these goodies this month. I think they are just gorgeous. Is there anything else to tell you? Oh, when you guys put in your order, be sure to put my name in the comments to score yourself a freebie, because we all want a freebie. I think we all know that. So yeah, there's going to be like a little comment section when you check out. So you just pop Shannon right in there. And then is there anything else? I don't think so. I'll have links down below where you can get your hands on these goodies, and for the Facebook group, the blog, all that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.